Hello, all my crafty friends. I hope you are doing wonderful. My name is Teresa. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Today we are organizing beads. So I found these on Amazon, and they are this cute little, they little drawers. You can pull them out, which I am loving. They have all of these, and you get, I think I got 12 of them total. And they are gonna fit perfect into my crates. So I'm really excited. So while the crates are getting finished, we are going to store these so I can, get them organized. So let's get crafting. Okay, so I have little baggies because I am literally putting together little care package type thing for the ladies whose beads these were. She is in a nursing home now, and she wants to make some jewelry, bracelets and stuff for friends, so she doesn't have much space. So I figured by doing this and making her a little bit of a package like this, then it will be, she can make stuff. So I'm making little. And then when I'm done with these, what I do is I have this container for her. Let's see if I can put it all the way up so you guys can see. This is kind of a... So I have this for her, and I have some big beads, and then I have a bunch of these little ones, and I'm putting them in these little containers so I can give her, for the little bit of space she has, I can give her more stuff. So she has a better variety of her stuff she owned. I mean, this was ideally hers, so. Okay, so I have this little thing to use, and I thought of doing this. Well, it's a bigger mess. That's a way bigger mess. So a lot of these are probably going to be used for dangles. How fun. And so we'll have some dangle making. It is just... So I hope you guys are good. The videos this week have been very short, so sorry. As a lot of you guys seen the update, I had to get everything ready for my new chair, which I'm here to tell you is a game changer. I'm in love with it. And so it was just very chaotic, very, very chaotic. And flaring. Worth the flare though, but. All right, one down. So the thing that I really like about this is that I can just pull these out, put them in, and then once they're filled, I can rearrange these as the way I want them. So that is done. So what I do with the rest of this is I am probably going to just put it in a different container eventually, because I have partials of a lot of these things. And so I'll just put them in a different container and call it done. Okay, look how fun these are. All right, so we're gonna pull out a couple of these and Okay, this is what we got done today. All of these. I just love how they show up like that. How fun. So thank you for joining me. I still have a lot more to go. I'll probably just show you guys the end result. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day. I know that you are important. If you like the content you see, please give this a thumbs up and think of subscribing. Bye.